Hello, we are one of the civil engineering design teams, and this is going to be our tutoring facility redesign. So for our capstone, our team's going to be Giuseppe, Luke, Marco, Nick, Michael, Tim, and Evan, and then our advisor is going to be Golden Sony. For our objective, we're going to be redesigning a wheeling tutoring facility.
For specifications for our design, the main code we'll be using is the AISC. This is because our columns, girders, and beams are all made from steel. And then we using the ASC 7, so we know the minimum load requirements to apply to our building. This is all added to STAD. STAD is one of the main softwares we'll be using. STAD is used to calculate our maximum shear and moment across the warehouse. And then Revit will be used for a 3D model of the building.
So this is a 3D rendering of our building. As you can see, it's 2 stories. And this is going to be the frames, girders, and columns that are going to be placed around the building itself.
Here's a floor plan of our building. In the middle of the building, we have a 30-foot headspace. This is for the underhang crane. We decided to keep that 30-foot height in the bottom left corner of the building. This gives us more space so we can add 2 stories. With the 2 stories, this is beneficial because we get more square footage with the same footprint because the footprint is fixed, something we can't change. Here are the loads applied to instead. As you can see, the main load is the crane, which you can see in the middle, and we have our standard loads from ASC, snow, wind, and dead loads. Here's just the beam and girder layout of the roof, and then as you can see in the top left corner, that's the W-shaped beam. All of our beams are designed with W-shaped beams and girders.
Thank you. This concludes our presentation.
What was the time?